Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to fix the things that prevent Valorant from launching. There could be a few things causing Valorant not to launch. In the first solution we will fix these issues. First you just need to open up Task Manager and you just need to end the task related to write games and Valorant. After end tasking it, you just need to uninstall the write Vanguard. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, click on uninstall a program, and in here you just need to right click on the write Vanguard and select uninstall, select yes, and uninstall it. After doing this, you just need to press in keyboard F5 to refresh this page. As you can see, we have deleted write Vanguard. Now we need to re-download it. We just need to open up Valorant. After opening Valorant, we need to perform a small update. Click on update and reinstall Vanguard. Vanguard is installed now guys. Now before restarting our computer, we will proceed to the second step. The second step is to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data, percentage again. Click on OK. In here, we need to delete a few files, guys. Don't worry, guys. The files we are deleting won't harm our game. First, we need to delete Valorant folder. Right click on it and delete it. Now you just need to search for write games. You just need to open it, and now in here you just need to delete write client and Valorant folder, both of it. Right click on it and delete it. Now you just need to click on the arrow icon and right click on the write client and exit it. Now select try again. After deleting these files, we are made to log in our account again. The third step is to set Vanguard to start automatically. To do this, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for VGC service. You double click on it and set the startup type to automatic. And if the service status is stopped, select start, select apply and OK for save changes. Now we need to restart our computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution, guys. The second solution is to uninstall programs that are preventing Valorant from launching. Some programs are detected as a threat by Vanguard and prevent Valorant from opening. The names of the programs are Easy Anti-Cheat and Face It Anti-Cheat and Racer Cortex and MSA Afterburner and Rivet Tuner and Logitech G Hub and Blades and Avast antivirus. These programs we need to delete it, guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. In here, you just need to uninstall the programs I said. After uninstalling the programs that block Valorant from opening, you can check if the problem solved or not. The third solution is to uninstall and reinstall Valorant. The issue might be related to corrupted game files. If that's the case, uninstalling and reinstalling Valorant can resolve the issue, guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.